Hi everybody, I am coming to you from inside my dungeon of a basement today because it's raining out. So if you guys don't want to be out in the rain, you can go ahead and just find some space. Don't need a lot of space for what we'll do today, and it might be a little bit of a shorter session due to the conditions and how much space I have, but we will go ahead and get something done today. So what we're going to start with is seated juggling, which I think is very, very helpful for locking your ankle and for getting down the touch for regular juggling. So you're going to sit on your butt with your knees bent, feet out in front here, and we're just going to work on popping the ball straight back up to our hands, okay? If it gets away from you, just get it back quickly, all right? And we're just popping it straight up, all right? Nice, easy touches, okay? We don't want it to be going too high, all right? And we should be able to just keep this really close to where we are, okay? Your foot should look pointed, literally like that out in front, not like this, all right? Pointed. And you're using this part of your foot right here. The ball's just going to pop straight up. Okay, and if your ankle's locked, then the ball should just pop straight up. Okay, again, if your toe's like this, the ball's going to end up coming back at you and hitting you or going over your shoulder. So it's really important to keep that ankle locked, toe pointed down. It's also a good way to practice your form for your shooting with your laces as well. Okay, so you're just locking your ankle. So what I'll challenge you to do today with the seated juggling is to go alternate your feet and see how many you can do that way. Okay, so right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, and so I did two, so I'd start again. And then also, I would also have you guys do as many as you possibly can with any foot. So you could do all right, all left. You can do a couple on your right, then go to your left, and just see how many you can do. All right, seated. All right, and just make a competition with yourself to see how many you can get. All right, that's the first part of our little workout for today. Okay, so the next thing after our seated juggling we're going to do is just some ball skills in the space that we have. Since it's a small space, it won't be as much as our other sessions, but for today we'll just do a little bit of a work with the ball, and you can do this inside. So what I'm going to have you do is, if you have a small ball around your house, go ahead and grab that, okay? If you don't, no big deal. You can go ahead and just use whatever ball you have, okay? I'm going to demonstrate with the big ball, but if you have the small ball, why don't you try to do all of this with the small ball? And if you don't, like I said, no big deal. Just use the ball you have, okay? So we're just going to start like I start a lot of my times, together. Foundation, just nice and easy. Again, our touches should be staying right with us, and I'm not really moving too much today. I'm just staying in this space, okay? And today we're going to go roll, 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 push, roll, 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 push, roll, 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 push. Okay, and you can try to get in that little hop so it's a little bit more realistic, okay? So it's just a little bit different than the push-pull. Roll, 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 push, okay? And we're locking our ankle, pointing our toe down, pushing the ball out. Roll, roll, push. Roll, roll, push. Maybe alternate your feet. Roll, 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 push. Roll, 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 push. Okay, let's do side to side rolls. Okay. And then we'll change that into our little roll with a couple touches. You can kind of follow along with me. So we're doing foundation, quick little roll. Good. Let's go with 10 toe touches in place so the ball can stay stationary and we're just touching the ball. Okay, the next one we're going to do is going to go in, out, that little hop, and then pull it back. So we'll go about 5 forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm not putting my foot down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now we'll switch feet to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull it back. 1, 3, 4, 5. Pull it back. We'll do 5 sets on each foot. 4, 5. Pull it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull it back. more time with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull back. All right, now we're going to repeat that entire thing. Hands together. Foundation, just nice and easy. Again, our touches should be staying right with us, and I'm not really moving too much today. I'm just staying in this space. Okay? And today we're going to go roll, 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 push, roll, 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 push, roll, 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 push. Okay, and you can try to get in that little hop so it's a little bit more realistic. Okay? So it's just a little bit different than push, pull. Roll, 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 push. Okay? Rock your ankle, point your toe down. Roll, 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 push. Maybe alternate your feet. Roll, roll, push. Push. Okay, let's do side to side rolls. Okay? And then we'll change that into our little roll with a couple touches. You can kind of follow along with me. So we're doing foundation. Little roll. Good. Let's go with 10 toe touches in place. Today, and what we'll do for that is we'll be back on the ground in seated juggling. And again, if you have your small ball, this time why don't you use the small ball versus the other one, but if you only have one size, that's fine, just continue using the one you were using. Alright, so now we're just seated juggling again. Toes are pointed out. Again, if the ball gets away, you're just going to get it quickly and then come back to where you were. Okay, nice soft touches. And that's alright. Okay, and we're just seeing how many we can get in a row. This actually becomes a good little core workout as well. Some hip flexors and some abs, lower abs from sitting this way. All right, next we're going to do is we are going to do some abs. So we're going to go down and we're just doing crunches. Let's do 25. Back to the big one, and let's do another 25 touches seated. As many as you can get in a row. Okay, and let's track, but you guys are doing 25 of them total. Okay, now we're back down. 25 crunches. Back up. One more set. Here we go. 25. So it's 12. 17. 25. All right, 25 crunches. This time you're going to alternate your elbow to the opposite knee. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 25. All right. Last thing I'll challenge you is, again, trying to see what your high is. Alternating your feet, and then whichever foot you want to use. Find out what your high is. And each time make it a competition and try to beat it.